Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Crystal. Thanks for being here today. And I have another Dollar Tree haul for you today. I'm excited to share the items, and they're spring items, and spring is in the air. It's like a month away and I'm so excited. It's my favorite month. I make a lot of YouTube videos about frugal living, Dollar Tree hauls, grocery store hauls, and I share yummy recipes. So if you're into that kind of thing, please consider subscribing. Let's get into this haul. Okay, the first thing I have for you today is boring, but I want to test it out, you guys. I'm hoping it doesn't spill everywhere. It's potting soil. That's right. It says it's a special potting blend for indoor and outdoor use. And I actually want to use it for an indoor plant. It was $1. I'm gonna test it out. I'll let you know how it works. And to add to the boringness, I bought another lighter. I actually bought two, but I opened one and I'm using it. Okay, these are $1. I bought one like last month and it's already donezo, so I bought two more. I'm pretty sure if I just buy a nicer one on Walmart, it's better quality and cheaper in the long run. The last lighter we had lasted like 4 years, so I'm probably going to not buy these again, but they do work. They just don't last very long. So those are my two boring items. And then they had some fun seasonal things, and I'm excited for them. Easter egg decorating kits, and I think you can buy them at Walmart for like $1.98. These are both $1. I bought the Color Pop one. They look like this. And then I also bought the Easter coloring kit with a magical crayon. So I also bought this one. We'll see how they work out. I mean, we're just dyeing Easter eggs, so I think it will be fine. It does come with like all of this stuff. You do need like a cup, but they also had the ones with the cup at the Dollar Tree. Buy them, buy those. And then we love flowers, hence the Lilac house, and their seeds are 25 cents. So we bought some just to try them out, and I'll tell you which ones we bought. So we bought Morning Glory seeds. I bought 2 of them. We have like a few little flower beds and then a flower pot, and then I have a lot of like Dollar Tree pots, so I'm going to find a place for these. And I also got Bachelor buttons. I've never heard of these or grown them. If you have any advice, let me know. And then we bought petunias. They usually do pretty well in our yard, and we bought 2 of everything. And then last but not least, our favorite snapdragons. We currently have yellow snapdragons, so I'm hoping that these will be mixed color. I'm really excited for these, and it's getting me excited for a spring. Okay, and then going along with Easter theme, we bought 2 sticker decals. Window clings is the correct name. I always buy these for my daughter, and I let her pick out 2. This one is just a classic Easter egg and butterfly. She loves it. In fact, she was like, "Mom, you let me pick out 2." And this one's so cute. It says Happy Easter, and it has the little rainbow, the little Easter bunny with the egg and the flowers. So these will be fun. She loves them. And then we bought these stickers. I was going to put it in an Easter basket, but I think we'll use them before. Dollar Tree has great stickers. I always look for the most stickers. Usually for holidays, they only have like 1 sheet of stickers, and it's $1. This has 256 stickers, and it's $1, so this works out really well. And then I bought her these. They didn't have like Easter like little activities. So I bought one of these just for her to paint. It's a little lamb and a little duck. So it's springy. It's cute. I like it. All right, and then last but not least, it was my neighbor's birthday. So we wanted to buy her a little gift. And so I bought her 3 things. I think she's 7. So I wanted them to be like age appropriate. But she loves princesses and puzzles. So I bought this one. This little puzzle. They're 50 pieces and it's a 3-in-1. And I already had a gift bag. I like buying gift bags from the Dollar Tree, but I actually like to take it up a notch. And if I'm going to spend $1 on a bag, I would prefer to spend $1 on a bin, kind of like this. This isn't for her, but I would prefer doing something in this instead of a bag because then they can use it and not throw it away. And I feel like that's just better for the environment, and then they can like use it or re-gift stuff in it. I don't know. I also don't hold on to bags. The reason I have a bag is because I was just barely gifted something and I was like, oh, I'll save this for my neighbor. But I don't hold on to bags that are handed to me. Okay, and then this isn't the last thing, but I got modeling clay. If you watch Do It on a Dime, she says always pick up a modeling clay for a gift I did. So I did it. I actually can't ever find modeling clay at the Dollar Tree around Christmas time. And this is the first time I've seen it. And I actually spent like way more money on modeling clay from Walmart for my daughter. And I'm feeling kind of blah about it, but whatever. I got this modeling clay. It was $1. And that will be fun. And then she's learning how to read. And I bought this little book called The Kitchen Catastrophe. It's so cute. So I will insert a clip of like everything so you can see how the little gift turned out, but it was $3. I think it's perfect. That's my Dollar Tree haul. I do want to say that I bought more, but I'm going to put it in a new video because I'm going to show you our Easter baskets from the Dollar Tree, and I have another one, and I'm going to show you my Mother's Day gift idea. All right, I hope you have a good week and know that you are amazing and awesome. And I will see you next week on the Lilac House.